Hi everyone, my name is Sakshi Gaur and I head the legal and compliance team here at Viva Money. My job here is to make sure that we stay on the right side of the law while also ensuring that the customers have a smooth experience while going through our product. A bit of my background. So, I come up with 8 years of legal experience in various fields. I was a practicing lawyer at Supreme Court and High Court of Delhi before moving on to fintech industry, where I started my journey as a legal manager with an edtech startup known as Propelled. And currently, I'm here since past 2 years. So I joined Viva Money in the initial days of once the company was formed, and since then the company has grown tremendously, and the milestones that we have achieved are something to be absolutely proud of. I have worked in startups and fintech industry before, so I had an idea of what it would be like working at Viva Money. But once I joined here, things just went on to the next step. Working at Viva Money comes up every day with its new challenges, whether it is navigating regulations, structuring of policies and different documentations, or making sure that we stay compliant without slowing down the innovation of the product. One of the things that I absolutely love working here is that there is autonomy of work, including ownership of work, which really means that you have the freedom to do your own work without being pressurized of outer factors, and your creativity is not diminished. Fintech moves fast and so do we. Viva Money is moving towards one of the biggest lending platforms in India, and I want to make sure that we grow at a tremendous pace while keeping the innovation at the center of it. My vision for Viva Money is to create a solid, robust framework, making sure that we move ahead in the business while also giving the customers a smooth experience. With the recent introduction of digital personal data protection laws in India, the spotlight is finally on data. My goal is to make sure that we build a secure legal system so that our customers can use our platform and our services without having to worry about the security of their data. At the end of the day, my vision is to support Viva in becoming one of the industry leaders by not only making sure that it is legally compliant, but by also setting up an example of how fintech and regulations can go hand in hand. One of my advice to today's generation would be never stop learning. As the saying goes, if you walk into a room and you're the smartest person there, you're in the wrong room. Make sure that you are surrounded by smart people so that you can learn from them. It is very important to diverse your skills and to understand more about areas which are a bit different than your field. It is very important that you take each opportunity that is thrown at you as a learning experience. Don't be afraid to ask questions and always keep growing. Whether it is your personal life or your work life, you need to adapt quickly and keep learning in order to grow, because as it is said that growth actually lies outside your comfort zone.